Hey everybody, you're watching Ballerina Badass. My name is Georgia Reed and just wanted to share with you guys, I don't know, I'm really proud of this homemade pumpkin soup that I made from scratch with no recipe. Of course, I'll be really proud of it if my husband actually eats it and likes it. But there's the finished product. I take my rings off because they just get thrashed in the cooking. You can see all the mess around it. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sort of hang out and cool down, and I'm gonna go and do a little workout. I'll show you guys kind of what I'm working on right now, stretching and everything. Okay, so that's kind of it for that part. So one of my favorite things to do to start warming up is shake out my limbs. So first, I'll start with like a little bit of a neck hold. Oh, I know, I should turn that off, hold on. Kind of lift my neck up like that. So it just releases the tension in my neck, which I like. Very careful and gentle. And then I will gently put my head back down. And then I'll just bring my legs up like this, my arms up, and I'll start shaking them like that. And it's like nothing wants to move, and then all of a sudden, it's like the muscles kind of break down. Oh, get off there. The muscles break down, and then like everything just starts really shaking, and my ankles and my feet, and I'll do it for like 60 seconds. It's important to keep breathing. There we go, the feet are going. It's like they release. Oh my gosh, and it's kind of a workout, believe it or not. It's like I can feel my muscles starting to burn. Woo. Okay, I gotta stop. Whew. Okay. Well, that just sort of gets things started, you know? And I'll, a little, back crack, there we go. Okay. Now for a little progressing ballet technique. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me over my heater, but it is now time to do some progressing ballet technique. So I love doing this first thing. It just sort of, after doing that bit of a warm-up, it really helps me see where I'm at, balance-wise, mental-wise, mentality-wise, etc. Woo! Just that little bit, you guys, I can totally feel my inner thighs engaging and connecting. That's amazing. And my core is connected, everything, it's all connected together, which I think is amazing. I also like to do some Pilates clams. Just these simple guys, just to get my hips kind of going. I also have to remember to keep that space in there. I forget that sometimes. I'm trying to keep everything in line as much as possible. I like to visualize my hips just kind of folding down and closing behind me. Sometimes I want to grip in here, and I'm like, no, I want to like not think about gripping in there so much as using those 6 tiny rotator muscles, the deep 6, right there underneath your butt to initiate, and then just feel this gently folding in. And then thinking about letting my shoulders melt down. Other side. Okay, I could go on and on, but I think you guys have an idea sort of what I like to do right now. I don't know what I did today sort of to get my body going. Oh yeah, it was my birthday on January 20th, and this year for my birthday I did a fundraiser to support my hometown ballet studio, the Alexandra School of Ballet, and I'm still taking donations. I would absolutely love it if you guys would donate. I'm thinking about doing a live stream to auction off some things actually towards the fundraiser. So what do you guys think? Would that be a good idea? Should I do it? Let me know what you guys think about that. Really great things coming up this year. I'm very excited. You know what I'm gonna say? The usual. You've been watching Ballerina Badass. I'm watching myself in the thing going, what the heck with this hair? Oh my God, it's growing, you guys, but not fast enough. So, you've been watching Ballerina Badass. My name is Georgia Reed. Never give up, never stop dancing. I love you all. Toy, toy, toy.